Hi guys, today is a beautiful Saturday. It is a photo shoot day and I've decided today's location would be at a mall. The mall is called K11 Musea and I chose this location because it celebrates and showcases a lot of art and innovation. The design is so beautiful and I feel like there's so many options for different places that we can grab really awesome shots with. So that's exactly where we went. The model that I'm working with today is Divya, and she is an awesome dancer and talented model who I've decided to collab with. The concept of today's photo shoot is supposed to be this like shopaholic, shop till you drop kind of vibe. With the weather that's going on, it's super unpredictable, so I changed the location super last minute, like about this week, and we were just gonna show up and see what exactly we can make of it. To contribute to the concept, we spoke back and forth on outfit ideas and details to tie the look together. I had brought shopping bags, a lot of them, as props for her to use, which I was trying really hard to color coordinate because I knew her outfit was going to be like pink/hot pink. I didn't want to have it look kind of Christmassy, so I'm really glad it didn't turn out that way. Right off the bat, we found a really awesome spot. A lot of things that we found were within the pink and green realms, and coincidentally, she showed up with a green mask that fit really nicely with the bags. To throw it all together, we managed to find lace gloves that matched the shade of her outfit almost exactly to resemble the shopaholic vibes I was going for. Okay. You are gonna stand, yeah, just about there. There's loud music everywhere in this mall, so it's really difficult to be able to like vlog and also shoot, film, everything like that, but I'm trying my hardest to be able to. We were able to find a lot of places and things that we did not know we were gonna find. Going to attempt to shoot Divya through the glass, and I don't know how much it's gonna work, but my vision is to be able to shoot her in this area over here, just this shot, but there's glass right in front of me and an escalator, so I'm not entirely sure how that's gonna work, but we're gonna give it a shot, and then if not that, then I will be going on the same floor and seeing if we can do something similar to that. Right now she's kind of setting up because I've asked her to use the shopping bag. This little pink figure is her. We'll see what we can get done here. It's been so hard to communicate to her far away, but I think we did kind of a good job. I'm not entirely sure it worked really well, but I think it was something interesting to try. And then we're gonna keep moving around, so maybe I'll come to her, I'll go to her. Off we go again, always moving. We're gonna give it one more go on a floor that doesn't have this high glass safety for good reason. Okay, we have attempt number 2, balcony number 2. And basically we just spent the day walking around the mall, honestly admiring it, and really just pushing our creative boundaries to see what we could make of it. For Divya and I both, it really helped us push our boundaries, and I think we worked really well together. We found so many locations and spots just coincidentally where it just worked with Divya's outfit, and it really tested me as a photographer to see what kind of results I could produce. Everything was super pink, which is really out of my comfort zone because I am an all black, all dark outfit kind of girl. It wasn't really within her comfort zone too, but that was kind of like her fancy outfit that she had, so we kind of worked with it. And she killed it, of course. So we are just about to wrap up this shoot. It was super successful. I think the theme of today was just pink, which honestly I did not really anticipate because I wanted the rest of the place to counter the color, but it still worked out the way that I wanted it to, so I think today was really good. And that's everything, so I hope you enjoyed the BTS video and see you next time.